In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to improve your Google Ads quality score, a crucial metric for your online advertising success. By following these steps, you might even achieve a perfect score of 10 out of 10, just as I did for hundreds of keywords. Let's dive right in. First, head over to the Google Ads website. This platform is your gateway to reaching new customers and boosting your product visibility through effective online ads. Once you're there, the next step is to click on the Sign In button located at the top right-hand corner of the page. It's essential to log into your Google Ads account, as this will give you access to all the tools and insights you need to enhance your ad quality. After signing in, you'll be directed to the Google Ads homepage. This is your control center where you'll manage, tweak, and optimize each part of your advertising campaigns. From here, navigate to the Campaign tab. Clicking on this will show you all your current advertising campaigns, providing you with an overview of their performance metrics and settings. Once you are in the campaign section, your next step is to click on Assets. This is an important area because it lets you handle different kinds of media and creative assets for your ads. Your ads assets play a crucial role in making sure your advertisements are engaging and relevant to the audience you are targeting. Now, one of the most pivotal actions to improve your quality score is to take advantage of all available ad extensions. Using ad extensions enriches your ads by adding additional content, such as extra links, call buttons, or even location details. These help in enhancing the user's interaction with your ad, making it more comprehensive and contextually relevant. This in turn can have a positive impact on your quality score, as it generally leads to increased click-through rates. Remember, the quality score is primarily influenced by factors such as the relevance of your ads, the expected click-through rate, and the landing page experience. Therefore, ensure your ad copy is closely aligned with the keywords you choose to target. Furthermore, maintain a seamless and satisfying experience on your landing page. It should load quickly and offer content that meets the anticipation set by your ad's promise. By following these steps, you lay the groundwork for achieving an excellent quality score. It not only boosts your ad performance, but also helps in reducing your cost per click, thus optimizing your advertising budget more effectively. Practice these strategies with consistency and attention to detail, and you'll see a significant improvement in how your ads perform across Google's network. Thank you for watching. I hope you found these tips helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights on optimizing your digital marketing efforts. Stay tuned for the next video.